Unraveling the Soundscape. Understanding loud noise. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another engaging lesson in our English language series. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you've likely heard quite often, loud noise. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also important to understand in various contexts. So, let's turn up the volume on our learning and explore what loud noise really means. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts, loud and noise. Loud is an adjective that describes a sound that is strong and high in volume, one that can easily be heard. Noise, on the other hand, refers to unwanted or disruptive sounds that can sometimes be harsh or unpleasant. When combined, loud noise refers to any sound that is both high in volume and potentially disruptive or undesirable. Subsection 1.1. Examples of loud noises. Examples of loud noise can include the roar of traffic in a busy city, the boom of fireworks in a night sky, or the blare of an alarm waking you up. These sounds are not only easily heard but can also interrupt conversation, disturb someone's peace, or even cause hearing damage if exposed for too long. Subsection 1.2. Synonyms for loud noise. To add variety to your language, here are some synonyms for loud noise. Racket, clamor, din, rumble. Each word brings its own nuance to the phrase and can be used in different situations. Understanding when and how to use the phrase loud noise is crucial. It can be employed in various situations, from formal reports of noise pollution to casual conversations about a loud party. Subsection 2.1. Complaints and concerns. Loud noise is often used when expressing complaints or concerns. For example, the loud noise from the construction site is distracting. Residents have complained about the loud noises at night. Subsection 2.2. Descriptive scenarios. It's also used descriptively in storytelling or setting a scene. The concert was filled with loud noise from the speakers. A sudden loud noise startled everyone in the room. It's intriguing to note that the concept of loud noise can have cultural variations. What is considered a loud noise in one culture might be a normal sound level in another. Recognizing this helps in understanding and respecting different cultural soundscapes. Subsection 3.1. Loudness in communication. In some cultures, a loud noise during conversations is a sign of excitement or engagement, while in others, it might be seen as impolite or aggressive. Subsection 3.2. Events and festivities. During events and festivities, loud noise is often part of the celebration. Fireworks, music, and cheering are embraced as part of the festive atmosphere. We hope this exploration of loud noise has amplified your understanding of the phrase and its usage in English. Remember, whether it's in writing or speech, the context in which you use this phrase is key to effective communication. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more insights in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.